Happy Boba delivery indeed. Cute little coasters. I mean, all the Boba straws. Oh, wait, these are different flavors. This is the variety pack, which comes with 3 different flavors. Deliciously mango, which I've had this one before. It is so yummy and so delicious. It only has 110 calories and it is perfectly sweet. And I really like sweet drinks. And after I drink a bunch of these, after a week, I don't feel super bloated. And usually when I drink boba, I feel super bloated. I'm really excited. I haven't tried the Assam or the Hojicha. I'll let you know how these are. Good morning. We're gonna try Hojicha green tea. Don't drink and drive. This is nice. It's like it makes me feel happy in the morning while also waking me up. Smooth and light. You can taste the tea flavoring. 90 calories. I'm gonna try the Assam black tea tomorrow. Okay, we're gonna try the Assam black tea. And the reason why I'm drinking one of these one a day is because each of these have caffeine and I'm so sensitive to caffeine. There's no way you're gonna catch me drinking more than one unless I'm having a long day. This one's also 90 calories. I'm more of a green tea girly. Yeah, that's really yummy. That black tea is like very good. It like tastes like those teas like straight from Asia. They're just like really fresh, smooth, perfectly potent. You can add your own milk to create your own milk tea. I like my teas plain and sweet, just like this. This is perfect for me. Bye.